Hi everyone, good morning. Uh, so my instance is in the top mode. So please wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Meanwhile, if you have any queries, please ask me. Okay. And you can see my next example is from the client scripts. If name is empty, I want to hide email, phone, manager, location fields by using UI policy scripting. Okay. So by using UI policy scripting, we have to make those fields is hidden. Wait, still my instance is in makeup mode. Yes, it's available now. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to my parent table first of all. Yes, I'm opening a new form or existing form. Right, I'm clicking on new button. Okay, so yes, this is our form. And here you can see this 13th example. If name is empty, I want to hide email, phone, manager, location fields by using a web policy scripting. Okay, so if name contains empty, so we have to hide email, phone, manager, and location fields. So meanwhile, so far, I'm going to take duplicate window and I'm going to configure web policies. Okay, I'm going to configure web policies. New web policy I'm creating. Okay. And here, still it is loading. Copying it. Fine. So here the condition is name is empty. Okay. Right. Name is empty. Okay. So I'm going to script here. I'm clicking on run scripts. Okay. If name is empty, what we have to perform? Tell me, guys. If name is empty, I want to hide email, phone, manager, location fields by using UI policy scripting. Okay. We have to hide these fields if name is empty. Yes. Here we made a condition. Name is empty. So then what is the true condition we have to write here? So you can see g underscore form dot set visible of field name comma set visible false. We have to make false. Okay. So I'm copying this statement for 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here you underscore email, phone, manager, location. Okay. Yes, here we are hiding if name is empty. If name is not empty, what we have to perform? We have to display the fields. But I'm copying the same logic and making here true. Okay. So you can format this code and you can also format this code. And I'm saving this web policy script. Guys, if you have any queries here, tell me. It's simple hiding the field and displaying the field based upon the condition. Any queries here? Tell me. No? Yes, we will check whether it is working fine or not. I'm refreshing it. Is it working? No, it is not working. Then I'm keeping name some value here. Then it is appearing these things. Okay, perfect, everyone.
Yes, Sanjay.
Okay, fine. So I will copy paste this script. Okay, execute it false. Copying it and pasting here. Okay. Next example, 14th example. Populate employee details like email, mobile, manager, location when we select user in the employee reference field. Okay, when we select the user in the employee reference field. Okay, I'm deactivating this transcript. My explanation is completed. I'm saving it. So I'm going to my parent table and saying configure form layout. Leo. So here I'm creating new field. Okay, that is employee. Employee. It is a reference field. So reference table name is _user. Okay. Yes, understood. Add. So I'm adding this reference field in place of name field. Okay. So I don't want name field now. I'm saving it. Okay, fine, perfect. So when we select employee, automatically we want to display details here. Automatically we want to display details here. Okay. So again, I'm going to configure client scripts. So existing client scripts, I will make inactive. So I'm making this client script inactive. Parts. You can see I'm creating new client script. So populate employee details like email, mobile, manager, location. When you select user in reference, I'm copying it. I'm pasting here. Okay, populate employee data. I'm saying populate employee data here. So I'm selecting this stuff. So what type of client script you have to take here? Tell me, guys. Populate employee details like email, mobile, manager, location. When we select it, user in employee reference field.
Unload.
Exactly. On sorry, not on board. On change the client script we have to. Okay, so I'm selecting on change. On change on what? On load client script. Wait,
Change on employee field.
wait. I'm refreshing this client script. Type I'm selecting answer and the answer okay. Yes, the same logic I want to execute on both onloading and field value change. That's why I removed that. Okay. You can come here. So till now, for getting a values in a field, we use it get value. Yes, even for reference field also we use it get value. So we have another method called get reference. Okay, get reference. Now we are working with get reference. First of all, where emp equal to g underscore form dot get reference of u underscore employee. Okay, yes, perfect. First of all, you can see what we will get if you use get reference. It will provide you the object.
SysID.
No, it will not provide this. It will provide the object. Means that object contains entire record details. Okay, I'm saving it first of all. Okay, so if we use get value, it will provide the SysID of that user we selected. If we are using reference, it will provide the object of that particular user. That particular user object will provide. Okay, so you can say employee object. So you can select employee. Still, it will show object only. Maybe some user I'm selecting. It's showing object. Okay. Yes. But here the example is when we select this employee field, so we have to populate other details. Okay, yes, sir, we can populate now. Now I'm removing this alert message. Now I'm using g underscore form dot set value of u underscore field name comma. So here I'm using emp dot. Okay, emp dot. I will tell you what we have to write here. So I'm copying this for 4 times. 2, 3, 4 times. Okay. U underscore email. U underscore phone. U underscore manager. Underscore location. Now, guys, is my voice clear? So I got message. Your internet connection is unstable. Okay. So here you can see. So email field, we have to populate this employee email ID. So what is the what is this employee field referring to? Which table it is referring to? Sys underscore user table. Okay, so we have to bring that sys underscore user table related fields here. Okay, emp underscore email, emp dot email. So here mobile phone backend name is mobile underscore phone in the user form. Mobile underscore phone. Okay, manager field backend name from the user table is manager. So location field backend name in the user table is location. Got it, everyone? What I have written here. So I'm saving this logic. Yes. Tell me, guys, is everybody got it? This one? Any doubts here? So and here I also mentioned.
No, Anji, we are getting the email and putting in the form email value of
Yes,
the employee record.
exactly. So we are bringing the, so basically if we use get reference method, we will get entire employee details in the object. Okay. So by using single dot working mechanism, so we are populating details from that particular object. Okay. So these after EMP, whatever the fields I have used, these fields are from user table. Okay. Because of this employee field is referring to the user table. Got it, everyone? Yes, so we are responding. I'm happy and I'm able to teach actively. Yes, please respond.
Yes, Sanjay.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so here I also written some if condition. If it is a new record, I don't want any code. If it is the existing record, instead of saying like this, 1 minute I will remove this one, not required. First of all, we will see this. Then after, if you want any conditions, yes, we will make it. Okay. Yes, I'm saving this code. You can come to the my parent table. Come and refresh here. That's what happened here. Tell me, guys, what happened?
We get
Yes, we haven't selected any employee. Here we are
any
getting
employee. That's
here we
okay.
are getting undefined. It's fine. We will check later. Now here I am selecting Ashok, user Ashok. Now you can see what happening. We are getting Ashok user details or not. Yes, we are successfully getting Ashok user details. The problem is while loading this form, we are getting some undefined kind. So I don't want that one. First of all, here I will check. Here I will check if it is a if new value contains value. I will check this. New value is not equal to empty. Okay. Got it, everyone? So here I'm checking whether that employee contains value or not. If that contains employee field contains value, then only I want to execute this set value methods. Okay, I'm saving it. Everyone got it? Yes or no? You can come and refresh here again. Now you can see there is no code execution here. So now I'm selecting some user like Anji. So you can see Anji data is populating fine. Okay. So any queries in this example, guys, tell me. If you have any queries, we will discuss. Otherwise, I will move on to the next example. I'm copying it. Any queries? No? Okay, fine.
No.
So basically, within the same example, I'm writing in different format. Okay. So maybe I will write in two formats. So here you can see, guys, you underscore employee. Then after, I'm keeping get employee data. This we can call, we are calling as callback function. Okay, within the reference field, I'm calling callback function. For this, I'm declaring a one function, get employee data. So here I'm writing. So here I'm passing the employee object. Okay, here I'm passing employee object. Yes, guys, any queries here? Yes. Tell me, guys, any queries here?
What is the use of getting this only?
No. So this is different format of using the same code. So basically here we are using the callback function. So we discussed about functions, right?
Get it and you get it and
Yes. So here I'm calling the callback function and I'm writing the I'm writing the logic into this function declaration. Okay. Whenever this function is calling, then only it will execute here. Okay, got it?
yeah.
Okay, fine. I'm saving it. Then come and refresh it. Yes. So maybe here I'm saying something like Ashok. Yes. Populated or not details? Yes, details are populated. Yes or no? Yes, perfect. Any queries from this format? So
So
basically,
it is like the same thing we did with the help of function.
yes, exactly.
Okay.
And the best practice is this one only. So compare with this code, this is best practice. Okay, got it? Yes. Next you can see guys. So next I'm doing one more thing different, same logic. I'm removing this one. Let's perfect. So now this is one format. So here there is no declaration. Directly I'm calling this function into the reference field. Okay, I'm directly calling this function to reference field. So here you have any queries? Tell me, guys. Directly in the function calling, I'm directly declaring a function instead of calling. Okay, got it, everyone? So here you can see there is no function calling. Within the function calling, I have written entire logic of that particular function. Okay, got it, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
This is one format. So our previous format is the best practice. Even this is not, I feel this is not also best practice. You can follow that one, like using callback function, the get reference. Okay. This is also using callback function, the get reference, but here there is no function calling. Within the function calling, we are declaring an entire function. Okay. Now you can come and refresh again here. Maybe here I'm saying unuser. Yes, data is cooperating fine. Okay, this is one example. Yes, so every user follow their own coding style. So whatever the method you like from these three methodologies for the same example, you can follow. Okay, but second one is the best practice. So this one is the best practice. Okay, this one is best practice. Yes, saving it. Any queries, guys?
ఇది
Still
ఒకసారి
no.
నాకు లాస్ట్ కోడ్ లో ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ ఎలా జరిగిద్దో చెప్పరా?
So basically, here when we use get reference, here we will get object. Within this get reference, we are calling callback function, that is get employee data. Okay, got it? So within the callback function, without writing the callback function, directly I declared. So then within this function, this logic also will execute. Got it? Yes or no?
అర్థం కాలేదు. అంటే నాకు మనం కాల్ చేస్తున్నాం అన్నది అర్థం అవుతుంది. బట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ ఎలా జరుగుతుంది స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ నాకు ఇప్పుడు ఫంక్షన్ డిక్లేర్ చేసామండి ఇక్కడ
Wait
గెట్
one
ఎంప్లాయీ
minute, one minute, 1 minute. So this entire code we have one. This entire code we have written in get reference only. Yes or no? So you can say entire code. So you can say entire code we have written in get reference only. Yes, whenever this first line is executing, within this get reference, we are calling the callback function. Okay, this one. Okay.
ఓకే
Okay, so along with this first line, entire this logic also will execute.
ఓకే అండి ఐ గెట్ ఇట్.
Okay,
అంటే ఇంతకు ముందు ఏం చేసామంటే మనం ఆ ఫంక్షన్ ని ముందు
call
డిక్లేర్
చేసి,
చేసుకొని తర్వాత కాల్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఐ
yes,
మీన్ ఫస్ట్ కాల్ చేసుకొని దాని ఆ ఫంక్షన్ కింద డిక్లేర్ చేసుకున్నాం ఏం జరగాలి ఫంక్షన్ లో అనేది.
yes, exactly.
ఇప్పుడు
Now
డైరెక్ట్ గా ఏం జరిగిద్దో మనం
directly within the function call, we are declared a function. Okay,
ఓకే
fine, perfect. So I'm closing this. After closing this, next example. You can see populate employee, populate email, mobile, manager, and location for employee reference field with the hierarchy dot working mechanism. Reference field hierarchy dot working without scripting. Okay, so we have to do it without scripting. Yes, we will do by using dot working. We can able to do it. So I'm going to my second table. right? Yes, I'm going to my second table, for example. So click on new button here. Yes, we have this many fields. Wait, guys. Maybe I will try to create new field. Otherwise, you guys will confuse tables. So I will say, so something I said data dot technologies. Okay, data dot technology. I'm saying something like this. Okay, I'm saving it. Yes, can come here. Dot configure form that I'm going to configure form that, and here I will create one field, employee field. MPLOYE employee. Okay, so it is a reference field. Sys underscore user. Add. I'm saving it. Okay, first of all, I will save and you can see the form, how it looks like. Okay, I'm closing it. So for example, here I selected something like NG user. I think I already explained this example with tables concept. I feel so you can see. Yes, I selected NG user. Whenever I select NG user, I want to populate other details also. Okay, from the user table. So I'm going to configure form layout again. Leave. So here you can come here, guys. If it is a reference field, employee is a reference field. And here it is showing some green color plus icon. Here it is showing some green color plus icon. Okay. When we click here, some hierarchy symbol is appearing here. When we click here,
Yes,
some hierarchy symbol appearing. Whenever we click on this hierarchy symbol, this employer, so here we taken for employer reference field, we taken sys underscore user is the reference field. Okay. So whenever we click on this hierarchy symbol,
we get all the.
okay, we will go to the this user table related fields. Yes, now I click on hierarchy symbol. What are the fields we want? 1 minute. Again, I'm clicking on hierarchy symbol. What are the fields we want from employee field? Email. Yes, employee.email. Mobile phone. 1 minute. I don't remember exact name. Manager also we required. Location, you can see location also we required. And another one is phone. I think mobile phone or phone something. Yes, mobile phone. Okay, I require these details. Okay, got it. So you can say how it looks like employee.email, employee.mobile. So we have done single dot walking from the client side programming. We are doing single dot walking from the client side programming. Got it, everyone? So after that, whatever the fields we have, we are indirectly displaying user fields on the our form. Got it, everyone? Yes, I'm saving it. So you can see. For example, if you go to any field, any field show, so it will tell you the table name. So you can see field is underscore employee only. Okay, from you underscore employee, we are dot walking this field. Now I'm selecting something like NG user. So you can see, yes. NG user details are populating or not? Yes or no?
Yes, Anji.
Yes, it's
ఇక్కడ
populating. For
అంటే
example,
ఇక్కడ
yes, 1 minute. For example, I'm previewing the record. So who is the manager of Anji? Yes, who is the manager of Anji? Abraham.
Abraham.
Yes, here also it is showing up. For example, here I'm changing some modifications. I will say I will select double tutor. The manager field I will select double tutor and I will save it. You can see what happens. The data will modify in the user table. The data is modified in the user table. You can see, you can go to the preview icon and you can see who is the manager now.
Able to.
Able tutor. So where I modified this data indirectly in data.technology table or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Got it, everyone? How to do single dot working mechanism? Yes, you can ask Ramakrishna your question now.
ఫర్ సపోజ్ మనం ఇక్కడ మేనేజర్ డీటెయిల్స్ కూడా ఆ మొత్తం డీటెయిల్స్ ని పాపులేట్ చేయాలనుకుంటే డబుల్ డాట్ వర్కింగ్ వాడతామండి.
Yes. Yes, we will
ఎంప్లాయ్
use.
డాట్ మేనేజర్ డాట్ ఈమెయిల్ అని అంటే
You are
అప్పుడు
asking me about this one, for example, configure form layout and world. No, from the client side programming, it will accept only single dot working. You can see. So if that field is in green color with plus icon, then only you are able to do hierarchy. Okay. Here it's not possible to do the double dot working because it is a client side programming. Okay. In the server side programming, as you said, we can use multi dot working. Okay. Got it?
ఎస్ అండి.
Okay, fine.
కానీ సింగిల్ డాట్ వర్కింగ్ తో కూడా ఇక్కడ మేనేజర్ డీటెయిల్స్ తీసుకురావచ్చు కదా.
You are saying, so again I want manager details, right? You are saying yes, we can able to bring that. Okay.
ఓకే.
Yes, I'm closing this one. I'm closing this one also. Next example, I'm going to next example. Example with email validation. Example with email validation. Okay. Example with email validation. Yes, we'll see that one. So for this, I'm going to my parent table only. My parent table only. So new. So here my example says that, so if you enter wrong email address here, if you enter wrong email address, so for example, I'm saying something Anji and I'm trying to save, it won't save. So if I given the email address improperly, then only I want to accept this email field. Got it, everyone? I want to do this validation here. So guys, here we have many validations, like Aadhaar card validation, voter ID validation. Yes, we have many validations are there. Okay. So based upon your interest, you can try. So in our class, I'm saying email validation. Okay. Yes. 1 minute. I'm keeping all transcripts false. Again, I'm going to my parent table. Yes. Okay, so I want to do validation for this email field, guys. So basically, this validation kind of things will not do regularly in our sections, but from our previous batches, somebody asked about validations also. That's why I mentioned this example. Maybe I will refer to previous batch classes example logic, and I will copy paste the code here. Okay. Yes, I'm pausing the screen for 1 minute. Yes. So I'm copying the code from here. and I'm pasting here. Okay. So basically this validations and all we will not do regularly in real time. So that's why I'm copy pasting the code. Okay. And even I don't remember. So basically here we also use some regular expressions and all. So I'm taking all, so on change on email field. Okay. So I want to execute this by loading the form and while changing the field value. So you can see this is the example of, so you can see email validation. So this is the regular expression, guys. So this is the regular expression. Okay. This is the regular expression. So here, first of all, you can say, I will explain this code. First of all, where email equal to genStore form dot get value. First of all, we are getting the email field value. First of all, we are getting the email field value. Then after I have written regular expression. So here you will get, for example, email validation, regular expression. Okay, rejects are regular expressions. You can say anything. Okay, you will get many things. So I just copy pasted this one, for example. I just copy pasted this one. Okay, $slash. You can see, you can copy this and you can copy this and you can paste there. We have many validations are there even from the different websites. Yes, I copy pasted. Then after I'm checking, so whether this email ID is matching with this regular expression or not. This email ID is matching with this regular expression or not. Okay. Yes, if it is matches, I'm saying valid email address. Okay, and I'm returning true. If it is not matching, the given email ID is not matching with this regular expression, I'm saying invalid email address. I'm saying invalid email address. Got it? Okay, fine. Yes or no? So you can see this logic for 1 minute maybe. You have any queries, please ask me. Just tell me if you have any queries.
అంజీ ఇక్కడ కండిషన్ చెప్పరా ఇఫ్ ఈమెయిల్ డాట్ మ్యాచ్ ఆఫ్ వ్యాలిడేషన్ అన్నారు కదా
Yeah, so
ఇక్కడ మ్యాచ్
basically, 1 minute, for example, so basically here, whatever the keywords we use, here, whatever the keywords here we use, so every keyword contains some speciality. For example, here you can see, so if you are using A to Z, and capital A to Z, and 0 to 9, okay? And here also we are using something. For example, this means if we use here capital letters or small letters, okay, or numbers, any numbers, we have to accept after at the rate symbol. Okay, after at the rate symbol. So this one is before at the rate is after this one is it has to accept A to Z letters, small letters or capital letters, and 0 to 9 numbers. And even if your email address contains these special characters, it has to accept, we are saying. Okay. Okay, Ramakrishna. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so you can simply copy this regular expression. I'm copying it. So, oh my God, 1 minute. I wait 1 minute. I will say online regex tester or generator. You can open anything. Okay. For example, I'm opening this one. So this is my regular expression, for example. 1 minute, 1 minute. Pattern and scale element. Maybe this one. Oh, no. So here it is saying instead of this, we have to use this one. Okay. Then now you can see the explanation of this regex expression. Okay, you can see You can go to this kind of URL and you can copy paste it and you can see this expression details. Okay, got it? I will also copy this regex expression URLs. Maybe this will also helpful for you. So this is regular expression test per related URL, and you can come here, and I'm closing it. Now we will directly check and copying this code and I'm pasting here. Okay, yes, I'm pasting here and saving it. Yes, I also saving this code here and also saving this code here, and you can come and refresh. Okay, invalid email address. Yes, as of now we don't have any email. For example, you can say I'm saying Anji, invalid email address. For example, I will say anji@gmail.com. Now tell me guys, valid email address. Got it, everyone? For example, here I will say something like this. So you can say. So we have to do more validation. So I use a simple basic example. Okay. So even if you see the company mail address, for example, anji@wipro.com, it will accept. So something. So whatever the regular expression format we have given, it has to match. Then only it will say valid email address. Otherwise, it is invalid email address. Okay. So for example, here you can see, guys. For example, here I'm saying 1, 2, 3. Still, it is showing valid email address. So if you don't want this one, also you have to modify in the regular expression. Okay. Everything will be available with the Google. So maybe you can try from there. Okay. So I copy pasted this example here. Any queries with this example? Next time, move on to the next example. Yes. Okay, fine. My explanation is completed and deactivated. Sorry, every time it will go like
And
this.
usually emails కి .com ఉండేది కదా అండి.
Yes, you not only .com, so .edu, .in. We have many. You don't expect every email contains only .com. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. That's what if we given 1, 2, 3, that's what it is accepting that regular expression. Okay.
యా నేనే కొద్దిగా తగ్గిద్దాం అనుకొని అడిగాను.
Okay, got it. Yes, so basically I feel whatever the regular expression I copy pasted from the browser. Yes, I feel that is somewhat complicated. So you can also check for other regular expressions for email, validate email. Okay, maybe you will also get smaller kind validations.
ఓకే.
Okay, perfect. Yes. So now you can see, guys. So I feel we have completed all these methods yesterday. Yes, we also completed this method yesterday. Okay. Next, alert manager display value. I want to alert this manager's display value. I'm closing this one. Yes, here we have manager, right? This manager value I want to display. For example, if I select table tutor, I want to display this table tutor manager value. I want to display in the alert table tutor. Okay, got it? Yes. If we use get value method, what we will see is idea of this table tutor, right? But I want to display this name, his name, manager name. That's what I'm going to take duplicate window, configure, client script I'm going, new client script I'm taking, display manager name, all type, on change and selecting. Okay, fine. So here I'm also selecting field is manager. Okay. Now here you can come where mgr equal to g underscore form dot get reference of u underscore manager. Okay. Underscore manager in double quotes. Got it, everybody? So you can simply say dot name. Then you will get the manager display value. Got it, everyone? I'm saving it. You can come and refresh here. So yeah, as of now undefined because of we haven't provided any value. So maybe I'm selecting NG. So you can see. So NG got it, everyone? We are receiving or not? Manager name. Yes, we are receiving.
Yes, sir.
So for example, guys, if we want to bring this employee manager name, it's not possible only with the client scripts. Okay. Yeah, I will say without best practices, it's possible, but we will not use that methodology in the real time. Okay. By using glide record method, we can able to get. Okay. So if we want this employee manager name, for example, employee is NG user and this employee manager is able tutor. If we want to display this manager name able tutor only with glide forms, not possible, you can say. Okay. By using glide record API, we can able to display, but glide record is a server side API. Okay, we will not use in client side in real time, but it will work even in the client script. Okay, perfect. So instead of like this, yeah, this is perfect. I'm copying this logic and code I will copy and I will paste it here. Yes. Okay, guys. Then we can also look into section names also have completed. So we can also look into this unique value and get table name. Okay, what it will return. So I'm simply commenting this alert message. So you can see in alert I will show you what it will be. Alert of 1 minute. G underscore form dot get unique value. That means it will give you the sys ID of current record. It will give you the current sys ID of current record. Okay. It will give you the sys ID of current record. Yes. You can come and refresh here. Yes, we are getting sys ID of this record or not. But here it is showing -1, guys. That means this is the new record. Even if it is a new record, we just in the URL display -1, but in the backend we have sys ID. For example, I'm copying this record. You can see. Now you can see this sys ID is matching with this sys ID. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, this sys ID is matching with that particular sys ID. Wait. Fine, excellent. Okay, next we can also look into alert of G underscore form dot get table name. Okay, get table name. It will provide the current record table name. Okay, so maybe I haven't used this method in my real time. You can see. Perfect. What is the table name? Correct or not? Table name. It's perfect. Okay, it is retrieving the table name. So yes, these methods will do like this. Okay, so I'm commenting. My explanation is completed and I'm deactivating. Next, next I'm going for isolated script definition. We can look into it. What is isolated script and all. So I'm copying the isolated script definition from the previous batch. Okay. So why? Because of I'm not found definition in the docs. So next. So if you open any client script, if I open any client script as of now, if I open any client script, so every time you have seen something like isolated script. Yes or no? Everywhere you have seen something like isolated script is true or false, something. So what is isolated script? New client scripts are run in strict mode with the direct DOM access disabled. Access to jQuery, prototype, and other window objects are also disabled. Okay. So to disable this on for script basis, configure this form and select the isolated script checkbox. To disable this feature for all new globally scoped client scripts, see the system prompt. If you want to disable this feature, isolated script feature, we have to modify the system property to false. Okay. So it's related to DOM element, direct object manipulation. DOM means. Okay. Maybe you can read this definition after some time. Yes, we have completed GlideForm API as of now. Now I'm going with GlideUser API. Now I'm going with the GlideUser API. VI.
ఐసోలేటెడ్ స్క్రిప్ట్ వల్ల యూజ్ కానీ అంటే రియల్ టైమ్ లో కానీ ఏమైనా యూజెస్ ఉన్నాయా?
Yeah, so basically few scripts only execute with isolated script in isolated script mode. Okay. So as per my knowledge, I can't say exactly. So what scripts will execute within the isolated script, what not execute in the if we are not selected isolated script. But yes, so if we select isolated scripts, so you can see what they are saying: access to jQuery, prototype, and other window objects also disabled. So new client scripts run in the strict mode with the direct DOM access disabled. So if we keep isolated script true, then it will accept executing new client scripts on strict mode, and it will also accept prototype. If you use any prototypes or jQuery, it will accept. Okay. Yes. Yes. Other than this, you don't go maybe in depth as of now. Maybe so after some time, once you get job and if you have free time, maybe you can go in depth about that. As of now, not required. Okay.
ఓకే.
Got it? Yes. Next, GlideUser API. GlideUser API. GlideUser API will provide the information about current logged in user. Okay. GlideUser API will always provide the information about current logged in user. GlideUser API will provide the information about current logged in user. Yes. I'm going to Glide class overview. Yes, let's scroll down. GlideUser. Yes, this use this class to get the section information about the current user and current user roles. Okay. You can see copy. Paste it and save it. GlideUser. You can see the GlideUser API provides the access information about the current user and user roles. Using the GlideUser API avoids the need to use slower glide record queries to get user information. The GlideUser methods or properties are accessed through only global object GNScore user that is only available in client scripts. GlideUser contains name and role information about the current user, is typically used in client scripts and UI policies, but is also found in UI actions that runs on client, cannot be used in business tools or UI actions that run on server side. Avoid the need of glide record queries to get user information. Okay. So I'm copying all this. So we have only fewer methods with this GlideUser API. Okay. I'm copying each and everything here. So I'm removing this line, not required. This line and this first line both are same. Okay. Yes. Next. I'm copying this URL also for if you want to check the methods. This URL will helpful for you. So what are the methods we have with the GlideUser? Yes, we will see here. I'm closing all the tabs and I'm removing this commented code. Wait. From here, we'll see GlideUser. First of all, we will see GlideUser related objects. G_user dot first name, G_user dot last name, G_user dot 1 minute. Right. First name we have seen, last name we have seen. 1 minute. First name, last name, full name, get full name, G_user dot first name, last name, get full name, 1 minute. Get something like not get user name, user ID, G_form dot user name also we have 1 minute. User name, 1 minute. Not G_form, right? G_user dot user name. Okay, next. G_user dot 1 minute. User dot so you can say has roles. Has role also there. Has role. First we will write has role. G_user dot has roles also I'm writing. Okay. Yes. Wait. G_user dot has roles from list. G_form dot has roles exactly something roles from list has roles 1 minute. Sorry, not G_form, G_user dot has roles exactly. Okay, these are the methods we'll use with the GlideForm API. Okay, so I'm copying all these method names to here to Notepad first of all. Okay, so we'll see some examples with these methods. Okay, I'm closing this one, leave it. So I'm going to this my parent table client scripts and I will take one on-road client script. Okay, yeah, on-road client script is enough to explain all GlideUser APIs. GlideUser API, I will say. Next of all type I'm selecting on-road. Okay, yes. Okay, so you can say where f name equal to G_user dot user dot first name. Okay, where L name equal to, so you can see guys, every method I'm keeping in some variables. Okay, then after I will keep it in other message. G_user dot last name, where name full name equal to G_user dot get full name. Okay, yes. Next where user sys ID, I will say user ID equal to G_user dot get what user ID. Okay, user ID means here we will get sys ID. Okay, user ID means here you will get user sys ID. Sorry, where what username. So here we will get that user ID. So basically if you go to the user form, we have user ID, right? User ID or username. I don't remember exact name. So like so we'll log in into system, right? Like while logging, we will say admin. So that is username of current user, right? Or login username. Okay, that is this username. Okay, the underscore user dot username. Okay, got it, everyone. So now I'm keeping each and everything in alert message. Alert. Yeah, alert. First name. Like this, I will keep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay. So for last time also keeping here. Name. Okay. So everything I kept in alert message. So we'll see what we are receiving with each method. Okay. Saving it. Again, I'm going to my parent table. You can open any form that will execute. Okay, so you can see first name is system, last name is administrator, full name is system administrator, user ID is this is current user sys ID. Okay, next username, this is username admin. Okay, got it, everyone? Yes, these are the few methods. We'll see. Now I'm copying this entire logic to Notepad. I'm pasting here. Okay. Yes. Next we will see these 4 methods. I'm saving it for explaining these 4 methods. I want this table is accessible to our 1 minute. So our 3 groups, right? First we will check whether this my parent table is available to the 3 groups. I'm going to implementate user. At least it has accessible to 1 user is fine. And G user I'm going. Come on, I can say my parent. No, my parent table is not available for Anji user. So first of all, I will end the implementation. I will give this my parent table access to Anji user. Okay. Yes. Sys underscore. Sorry, user dot list. I'm going to send to dot list. So maybe I will discuss these examples with only Anji user, not required with all 3 keys. So I'm going to Anji user and I'm providing the 1 role. That is my parent user role. Underscore my underscore parent user. Perfect. I'm saving it. Okay. Now this my parent table. Sorry, 1 minute. Now my parent table is accessible to Anji user. Okay. My parent table is accessible to Anji user and 1 minute. Wait. I will do one thing, guys. Maybe I will provide access to Abel tutor also. Maybe that is better, I feel. Okay. Underscore user dot list. Underscore dot list. Abel tutor. Where is Abel tutor? Maybe I will discuss with Abel because so without roles also I want to say something. Okay. So here he is a member of one group, service desk support. That's fine. So I'm clicking on edit and I will provide that my parent user role. Okay. My parent table role. You underscore my underscore parent user. Okay, I'm saving. Perfect. Now Abel tutor have access to my parent role. That's fine. Now you can see I'm removing this code here. I will explain that code methods. G underscore form dot, sorry, where role equal to, I'm saying where role equal to G underscore user dot has role. First of all, we will check with has role. So you can see what has role will do. So if the 1 minute, I will also go to this class overview that has role method there. So basically that user contains admin role or a specified role, then it will provide true. Okay. Guys, previously, apart from in the previous version of Servicenow instances, yes, we are getting. So you can see returns true if the current user has the selected role or the admin role. Okay, got it. So for this definition only, I'm planning to go for this URL, not required. Now you can see whenever we hovering, it is appearing. So you can see. So returns true if the current user has the selected role or the admin role. Okay. Yes, perfect. Now here I'm selecting one role also, that is ITIL role. Okay, now I'm selecting ITIL role. So I'm keeping alert. Role. Maybe I will write if condition if role. I'm saying something like this. If role will get true. Alert. The user has specified role or admin role. Okay. Else. Alert. The user doesn't have admin role or specified role. Okay, got it, everyone. I'm making some alert condition. Yes, we have provided role to two members, Anji user and Abil tutor. For Anji user, we have ITL role. System administrator, we have admin role. Okay, and Abil tutor don't have ITL role and admin role. Okay, yes, I will impensate to those two users and I will show you this example. I'm saving it. Okay. Yes, perfect. Now you can come and refresh here. You can come and refresh here. What it is saying, the user has specified role or admin role. Got it? Because now we are with system administrator user. Next time impensating with Abil tutor. Tell me guys, if I impensate with Abil tutor, what message we will receive in the alert? Tell me, what message we will receive? Abil tutor don't have specified, the user don't have specified role. We have to receive. So you can see the user doesn't have admin role or specified role. Yes or no? Yes, right. Abil tutor don't have any ITL role or admin role. That's why we are receiving this message. And I'm going to impensate with Anji user. Now Anji user will get user has specified role because of he has ITL role, right? You can come and refresh my parent form. Yes, the user specified role. The user has specified role or admin role. Okay, ITL role Anji user have. That's why it is showing like that. Okay, this is that method. Okay, everybody got it. So behavior of this has role method. Yes or no? Tell me guys, you have any queries? Next I will go for has roles. Next I will go for has roles method. Okay. 1 minute. Returns true if the current user has any role. Returns true if the current user has any role. Okay. Yes. Maybe I'm saying something like this. Wait. What more? Right. Took. Report user wizard. Maybe I'm taking this role with underscore creator. Okay. So ITIL comma with underscore creator I'm taking. Okay. What this method will do, returns to if the current user has any role. From this list, if the user contains any role, it will return true. Okay, I'm saving it. Now we are with the system administrator. Now we can check once. The user has specified role or admin role. Yes or no? What it is saying? The user has specified role or admin role. Okay. Yes. So maybe if you have any queries, we can check whether that user contains that roles or not. And for user dot list. Yes, able tutor user account is already open and user account now I'm opening. Now I'm also opening admin. Now you can scroll down and you can see maybe what role is admin user have. Yes, we have almost 30 roles, maybe. So ITL role, I think he has. No. Which related role maybe he have. Hmm. All are inherited roles, guys. You can see this one. No, wait, again I'm refreshing it. The user has specified role or admin role. First of all, maybe I saved or not. Yes. You can come and refresh it. Right. The user, yeah, it is showing specified role. 1 minute. The IT role. Which creator role. Yes, for the admin user, still it is showing the user has specified role. Okay, no problem. But we have to provide like this only roles with the comma separation. Okay, this is correct. We will go to this build tutor and user. We'll see. For user, it will definitely show true because he has a ITIL role. So now we will check build tutor. We have added this role, right? So this now I'm refreshing it. You can see the user has specified role. Perfect. For build tutor also showing the user has specified role. Okay, because of we added this role, right? With underscore creator role. Now I'm copying this. Now I'm copying this script to notepad. Next, from list, roles from list. Just go to user that has from list. So here we have to provide a list of roles. Okay. Returns to if the current user has at least one of the specified role in the comma separator list or the admin role. Okay. Yes. This is also same how has roles will work. Okay. Yes. This will also will provide the return true. I'm copying it. Saving this method also. So now I'm going to able tutor, guys. For example, compensate users. Able tutor. Then check. Can come and refresh it. Yes. The user has specified role perfectly. Next, and I'm not going to ng user. So for both, we have roles, same role, right? I'm ending the implementation. And so wait. So here I'm going to another method, has roles exactly. That has roles from role exactly. So what this method will do, returns true only if the current user has the specified role. Okay. Yes. For example, I am checking with this too, saving it. And now we can go to the ability to definitely it will provide false because of so it doesn't contain so the specified exactly specified roles right from that list. Yes. You can come and refresh here. You can see what it is saying. Wait. Yes, the user doesn't have admin role or specified role. Okay. Yes, it is because of the user doesn't contains the both the roles, right? So the method is exactly, but the user doesn't contains both the roles. Okay, that's why it is showing the user doesn't contains method statement. Okay, saving it. Taking attendance first of all. Yes. 31st, 03, 2023. Okay, guys. So I'm stopping today class here. Okay. So you have any queries, please ask me. In tomorrow class, I'm going to explain about UI scripts. Okay. Once UI script is completed, we'll go for business rules. Okay. Even business rules theory is completed and we have time. So I will go for glide records API syntaxes, only syntaxes. And the day after tomorrow, we'll go with the glide record examples. Almost we'll get 15 to 20 examples there. Yes, you have any queries, please tell me.
యా ఈ రోల్స్ ని మనం ఐ మీన్ ఈ వాల్యూస్ ద్వారా మనం యాక్సెస్ కంట్రోల్స్ ని ఆపుతామా అండి లైక్ ఏదైనా రికార్డ్ కి యాక్సెస్ ఇవ్వడానికి యూజర్ రోల్స్
Yeah, by using roles, yes, we can. Yes. మనం యాక్సెస్ తీసేయడానికి చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ యూజర్ కంటైన్స్ దిస్ ఓన్లీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు visible this thing like javascript form dot get visible off. Got it? What I am saying? Yeah, by using this also can able to. So you can see, guys, if we are talking about ACL, that is a table level, column level, record level access. Okay. So here, if you are doing something with this GlideUser API conditions, you are doing temporarily for that form. Got it? What I am saying?
ఆ ఫామ్ వాటికి ఆ
Once,
రోల్
yeah, exactly. Once, yeah, even if you use ACL only for that form. So if you are using ACLs, you are completely blocking. Okay, you are completely blocking, for example. So if you are doing something, some manipulation with this GlideUser API or GlideForm API, so user have access to the table columns within the browser level. You are manipulating. Okay, at browser level you are blocking what fields display, what fields not, what data populate, what not. Okay, got it?
యా అండి
Okay,
ఆ
fine.
ఏసీఎల్స్ ద్వారానేమో మొత్తం ఆ అప్లికేషన్ యాక్సెస్ ని మనం కంట్రోల్ చేస్తాం
Yes,
ఐ మీన్ ఇన్ కంపెనీ తన యాక్సెస్ మొత్తాన్ని కంట్రోల్ చేస్తాం వేరే దీంట్లోకి వచ్చేపాటికేమో ఓన్లీ మనం ఆ ఫామ్ వాటికి కంట్రోల్ చేస్తాం తన యాక్సెస్
perfect.
యూజర్ యాక్సెస్
Yes, perfect. Okay.
థ్యాంక్ యూ